Your furnace is tuned up, your house's exterior cracks and gaps have all been sealed, and there's a cozy throw on every piece of furniture in your house. You're all set for winter, right? Well, maybe not quite yet. Scott Jones from A to Z Heating and Plumbing is still with us to talk about making sure we keep our ducts in a row. And Scott, let's talk a little bit about leaky ducts. How common is that in a home?
It's very common, very common. Any home that's older than about 2000, 90% of the ductwork you're going to find is not going to be sealed. It wasn't required, but it is something that can be easily remedied by the homeowner.
If I look up here, is there a way to find out I've got leaky ducts?
Absolutely. One of the most common ways that you can identify it is with a single ply of toilet paper. Find a joint such as this where there's no noticeable sealant, there's no noticeable tape, nothing on it, and if you take that single ply past it with the system running, that single ply toilet paper is going to move. Once you've identified a few joints that have been leaking, then you can go back and seal them. If one or two of your joints are leaking, there's a good chance that they're all leaking. And so sealing all of the joints is always recommended.
So again, if I've got one or two that you can see right here, you know I've got problems throughout my ducts.
Exactly.
Some real benefits to sealing up your ductwork, right?
There is. You don't want to lose the heat that you're paying your system to produce out of places where it doesn't need to go. And so by sealing the ductwork, you're ensuring that that heat that you're paying for, the gas that you're paying for, is getting all the way to the bedroom where the ductwork is designed for it to be located.
Adding insulation around ductwork, is that a good thing?
It is a good thing, especially in unconditioned spaces. Anytime that ductwork is going through an unconditioned space, it can lose as much as 10 or 15 degrees of its temperature. And so insulating that is absolutely vital to delivering that full temperature heat that you're paying for into the rooms that it's designed to go to.
Now, our viewers on PowerHouse are always interested in learning. Is this something that a homeowner could do themselves?
Absolutely. Many of the products that we use are sold at standard stores. There are specific items, unlike duct tape, which is not designed for sealing ducts.
So it's not just getting some duct tape and putting it up here.
Correct, correct. They actually make mastic tape, tinfoil tape, that are all designed for sealing ductwork joints. Applying tape to joints and sealing up joints and noticing how the temperature difference is between the furnace and the rooms is absolutely something. Once you get into crawl spaces, unconditioned space, the actual insulating of ductwork, it is something where you definitely want to call in a professional and have it done so that way it's safe, secure, it's done correctly, and you're not going to have any issues with it down the road.
Give us a ballpark in terms of expense.
The standard home, you're going to be looking at around $1,000 to $1,500 for the average house to seal up all the ductwork. That's going to pay back in about 3 to 5 years. And it's money well spent on delivering the heat that your system's producing into the actual rooms where it's designed to be.
Again, that desire of getting the warm air where it needs it, not losing it in ductwork under our house in the basement, right? And there's benefits to that.
There are. Well, there's monetary benefits, there's efficiency benefits, and just the comfort of your home overall.
Well, Scott, thanks for sharing your expertise and perspective with us. And make sure your heat isn't taking an unexpected detour to your living spaces, your family, and your PowerHouse. Well, thank you.